Have you ever wondered how a free 3D software could become your secret weapon to financial freedom? Imagine transforming your passion for design into a lucrative income stream that challenges traditional career paths. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Blender, a tool that not only fuels creativity but can also unlock hidden revenue streams that many overlook. In this video, you'll discover practical strategies to monetize Blender through diverse avenues, from freelancing to cutting-edge digital art. I promise you actionable insights and real-world examples that can spark your transformation. Stay with me as we break down each step, using proven mental triggers that ignite curiosity, authority, and the promise of a brighter financial future. 1. Why Blender? The secret goldmine hiding in plain sight. Blender isn't just another design tool, it's a revolution in free, open-source 3D creation software. This platform offers powerful features rivaling expensive alternatives, making it accessible to anyone eager to learn and earn. Its robust community continuously innovates, proving that financial opportunity hides in every corner of creativity. Every successful professional started by exploring Blender's endless capabilities. Think of it as a blank canvas where you can sculpt not only art, but also a thriving income. With industry leaders using Blender, its credibility and potential become indisputable. The software's versatility inspires confidence in its profitability, inviting you to step into a new world of creative entrepreneurship. Practical demonstrations show how detailed projects, whether modeling, animation, or simulation, can serve as your portfolio. Real-life examples of freelancers and small studios turning passion into profit abound. The secret is to explore every feature of Blender and use it to showcase your unique skills, establishing yourself as an expert in a growing field. As you absorb this information, feel the excitement of untapped potential. Recognize that mastering Blender can be the catalyst for your financial breakthrough. Embrace the challenge, knowing that your journey with this powerful tool is the first step toward a future where creativity meets cash flow. 2. Freelancing with Blender. Selling your 3D skills online. The freelance market is booming, and Blender is your gateway to offering professional 3D services. Whether it's character modeling or architectural renders, businesses worldwide are actively searching for creative talent. Establishing your freelancing brand can be both personally rewarding and financially transformative. Imagine setting up profiles on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where your Blender skills shine. By building a captivating portfolio, you communicate authority and inspire trust in potential clients. Each project you complete becomes a testament to your talent and dedication, paving the way for referrals and higher-paying gigs. Real-world examples illustrate freelancers who started with small projects and grew their reputation to land major contracts. Their stories serve as a roadmap, transforming passion into a steady income stream. The secret lies in consistent quality, smart marketing, and continuously updating your skills with Blender's latest features. As you learn these strategies, picture yourself negotiating contracts with confidence and earning what you truly deserve. This is your moment to break free from conventional job limits and embrace the empowering world of freelancing with Blender. 3. Creating and selling 3D assets for passive income. One powerful way to earn is by designing 3D assets that sell repeatedly. With Blender, you can create detailed models, textures, and animations to list on marketplaces like TurboSquid or CG Trader. The magic here is that once your asset is live, it can generate income without additional work, offering true passive revenue. Imagine building a library of versatile 3D models that cater to multiple industries: gaming, film, advertising, and more. Every download or sale boosts your income and builds your reputation as a trusted creator. With quality and uniqueness as your cornerstones, your assets can stand out in a competitive market. Practical demonstrations reveal how a single asset, like a realistic character or a detailed environment, can turn into a continuous revenue stream. It's not just about quantity. Each model is an opportunity to showcase your expertise and gain social proof from satisfied buyers. Visualize the impact of recurring sales on your overall income. By consistently delivering high-quality assets and updating your portfolio, you create a sustainable income model that rewards your creative investment over time. This approach not only builds wealth but also establishes you as an authority in digital asset creation. 4. YouTube and content creation, earning from tutorials and renders. Monetizing your knowledge through YouTube can elevate your Blender skills into a profitable venture. By creating engaging tutorials, speed modeling videos, and behind-the-scenes looks at your projects, you not only educate but inspire a growing audience. The key is authenticity and a passion for sharing what you know. Picture yourself recording high-energy walkthroughs that explain complex techniques in a clear, relatable way. As your viewership grows, so do your opportunities for AdSense, sponsorships, and exclusive memberships. Your content becomes a beacon for those hungry to learn, creating a loyal community around your channel. Practical examples include creators who have transformed their channels into full-time businesses by consistently offering value and fostering interaction. Each tutorial builds your credibility and positions you as the go-to expert in Blender. This reputation not only attracts views but also opens doors to collaborations and brand deals. Let the energy of your audience fuel your drive. Every comment, like, and share reinforces your authority and sets you on a transformative path. Your journey on YouTube is not just about teaching, it's about building a community that believes in your vision and grows alongside your success. 5. NFTs and digital art, turning your 3D creations into crypto assets. The digital art revolution has reached a crescendo with NFTs, and Blender is at the forefront of this movement. Creating unique, eye-catching 3D artworks can open the door to selling them as non-fungible tokens on platforms like OpenSea. This intersection of art and blockchain technology is creating entirely new markets. Visualize transforming a complex Blender scene into a digital masterpiece that collectors crave. Each NFT sale not only provides income but also cements your position as an innovative artist. With scarcity and exclusivity driving demand, your unique creations can achieve remarkable value in the digital marketplace. Real-life success stories of digital artists who turn their passion into multi-figure earnings serve as powerful inspiration. Their journeys, fueled by creativity and smart marketing, demonstrate that with Blender, the only limit is your imagination. This blend of art and technology invites you to explore uncharted territories of wealth creation. Feel the pulse of this vibrant market and let your creativity shine. Each 3D NFT you design can be a statement of innovation and financial potential. Embrace the chance to be part of a groundbreaking movement where art meets technology, and every creation has the power to transform your financial landscape. 6. Game development. Selling 3D game assets and mods. The gaming industry is a multi-billion-dollar arena, and Blender is a critical tool for developers worldwide. By crafting game-ready assets, you can cater to indie developers and established studios alike. Your creations can range from characters and environments to intricate props that enhance immersive gameplay experiences. Imagine a scenario where a small, meticulously crafted asset becomes a staple for game designers. Each sale on marketplaces like the Unity Asset Store or Unreal Marketplace boosts your profile and revenue. Your assets not only save developers time but also become building blocks for their creative visions, validating your expertise. Practical demonstrations reveal that even a modest asset can gain traction if it meets high-quality standards and innovative design. The secret lies in understanding current game trends and continuously refining your skills. Your work, infused with creativity and technical precision, can command premium prices and solidify your reputation. As you progress in game development, feel the excitement of contributing to immersive virtual worlds. This sector rewards creativity, collaboration, and continuous improvement, setting the stage for a sustainable and scalable income stream that redefines your future in digital entrepreneurship. 7. Architectural visualization. Working with real estate and interior designers. Blender's ability to create photorealistic renderings makes it indispensable for architectural visualization. By offering detailed models and immersive walkthroughs, you can serve real estate professionals and interior designers looking to impress clients. This niche combines creativity with practicality, transforming abstract ideas into tangible visuals. Imagine partnering with architects to bring designs to life. Each render becomes a powerful marketing tool for property sales. Your ability to create lifelike imagery not only speeds up the design process, but also adds value by enabling better decision-making. Clients are drawn to visuals that capture the essence of a space, establishing your work as essential. Practical examples highlight projects where Blender renderings significantly boosted property appeal. The success stories of designers who leverage these visuals to secure high-profile contracts demonstrate the tangible impact of quality architectural visualization. This is where technical skill meets real-world application, fueling both creative satisfaction and financial reward. Embrace the opportunity to merge art with practicality. As you refine your visualization techniques, feel the thrill of turning architectural dreams into profitable realities. This field rewards precision, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence, paving the way for long-term success in a competitive market. 8. Animation and VFX, creating high-paid short films and commercials. Animation and VFX are among the most exciting realms where Blender can truly shine. By developing short films, commercials, or dynamic visual effects, you tap into a market hungry for creative storytelling. Brands and agencies constantly seek fresh, visually engaging content that resonates with modern audiences. Imagine being commissioned to create a stunning commercial or a captivating short film that tells a story beyond words. Your work can influence marketing campaigns and social media trends, positioning you as a visionary in a field where creativity drives success. Each project is an opportunity to demonstrate your technical prowess and artistic flair. Real-life projects and case studies reveal that high-quality animation can command top dollar. By integrating dynamic camera movements, realistic simulations, and creative storytelling, you provide an experience that leaves a lasting impression. This demand for visual impact elevates your work from mere art to a lucrative career. Allow yourself to dream big as you push the boundaries of what's possible with Blender. Embrace each project as a chance to innovate and transform ideas into compelling visual narratives. Your journey in animation and VFX is not just a career, it's a transformative pathway to financial success and creative fulfillment. 9. 3D printing and product prototyping, designing for the physical world. Blender's capabilities extend beyond digital screens. It's a powerful tool for 3D printing and product prototyping. By designing objects that can be physically produced, you tap into markets ranging from custom jewelry to intricate mechanical parts. This convergence of digital design and tangible creation opens up a world of financial opportunities. Picture a scenario where your meticulously designed model transitions from a computer screen to a physical product. Each prototype can attract buyers who value innovation and customization. The process of iterating designs until they're perfect not only refines your craft but also sets you apart as a skilled creator in a growing niche. Real-world examples illustrate how designers have built successful businesses by bridging digital creation and physical production. With platforms and local workshops supporting 3D printing, your creative outputs can directly contribute to a sustainable income stream. This field rewards precision, inventiveness, and a practical approach to design challenges. Allow yourself to be inspired by the potential of turning digital ideas into real-world products. Embrace the excitement of product prototyping with Blender, knowing that each creation is a step toward financial growth and tangible success. Your designs can shape industries while redefining what's possible in modern entrepreneurship. 10. How to build a six-figure business with Blender. Building a thriving business with Blender means combining creativity with strategic planning. This final step in our journey is about scaling your efforts from a solo freelancer to a brand that commands premium projects and collaborations. It starts with a clear vision, relentless improvement, and smart marketing strategies that attract high-value clients. Visualize expanding your portfolio into a full-fledged business where your creative outputs generate multiple revenue streams. Whether through direct client work, asset sales, or digital products, every effort builds your reputation as a trusted expert. You'll learn to leverage social proof and scarcity to drive demand, ensuring each project amplifies your financial potential. Practical examples of entrepreneurs who scaled their Blender skills into six-figure incomes provide a blueprint for success. Their stories underscore the importance of diversifying your income channels while maintaining quality and authenticity. This approach transforms your creative passion into a sustainable business model, rewarding hard work and innovation. Step into this role with confidence, and a clear action plan. Recognize that building a six-figure business isn't an overnight miracle, it's a journey fueled by dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to excellence. With Blender as your tool, your future in creative entrepreneurship is bright and full of promise. Every day you hesitate is a missed opportunity to reshape your financial destiny. Remember, the strategies we discussed are not mere ideas but proven steps that can transform your passion into real income. Embrace these insights and let them fuel your drive to take action. Your future self will thank you for it. Believe in your ability to redefine success. As you implement these strategies, each challenge becomes a stepping stone toward growth. The journey may be demanding, but your determination and creativity are your most valuable assets in building a prosperous, fulfilling life. Before you go, remember this isn't the end, it's the beginning of your financial revolution with Blender. Check out the description and pinned comment for exclusive links and recommendations. And now, since you've stayed with me this far, the best video for your next step is right on screen. Enjoy the journey!